In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can see your Steam password. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. So if you want to see your Steam password, one of the ways that you can do that is going through Google Chrome or any web browser that you're using on your device. So when you go onto Chrome, you may have saved your password within the password manager of your specific browser. So you want to go to the settings and of your browser, go to settings, and then you want to go to autofill and passwords, and then you want to go to password manager. Okay, this will list out all your passwords, and you can search for your passwords and look for Steam. Okay, in my case, no passwords have been found for Steam. So in that case, what you can do is you can go back to the Steam website. You can click on to sign in. And when you get to this page, click on help, I can't sign in. And then what you'll do is you will go, I forgot my Steam account name or password. You will enter in your email address, confirm you're human, and then when you reset your password, make sure to save it within the password manager. So a block will pop up here in the top right hand corner. Click on save password. It'll go into your password manager, and then you can see it at any time in the future. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.